How to redeem your HelloFresh gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually redeem your HelloFresh gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your HelloFresh gift card, all you have to do is simply open up your browser of your choice, right? So open up the browser of your choice, then you simply want to go to www.hellofresh.com/gift/redeem. So this is the URL that you want to go, hellofresh.com/gift/redeem. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. When you go to this website right over here, you will land on this page. Now if you've not already logged into your HelloFresh account, just click on the login button from the top right, and here it'll ask you receive the gift card, so make sure to enter the code. So all you have to do is actually make sure to enter the code correctly of your gift card and then click on redeem button. If your code is correct, it will be successfully applied to your HelloFresh account and you can use it to buy anything over here. This is how you can actually redeem your HelloFresh gift card. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.